This image represents a conceptual product template design for a hair care brand called Revel, specifically promoting an anti-hair fall shampoo. The visual composition features two tall white pump bottles of the Revel shampoo in the center, highlighted by vibrant natural ingredients such as almonds and aloe vera leaves, along with water droplets, which symbolize hydration, freshness, and natural nourishment. To the left, there's a bold circular orange-yellow paint splash graphic containing the words "upcoming template design," which signals that this is a prototype or future promotional layout. Above it, the phrase "hair fall control" appears alongside herbs and curls, reinforcing the core benefit of the product. The background is a soft pastel yellow, chosen for its clean and uplifting feel, which allows the product and natural elements to stand out. This image exemplifies how product templates act as strategic visual tools for marketing, brand identity, and consistency. A product template like this merges the brand's key message, product visuals, and ingredient highlights into one reusable framework. This is crucial because it allows brands to maintain visual uniformity across various media, social posts, websites, ads, brochures, and packaging, while quickly swapping out specific products or text without starting from scratch. For example, Revel could use this template for other variants, like dandruff control or deep conditioning, by simply changing the ingredient images or background color. The template also saves time and cost in design production while ensuring each piece of marketing material is instantly recognizable to consumers. Moreover, such templates create a narrative. Here, the almonds, aloe vera, and water droplets tell a story of natural care, moisture, and protection from hair fall, helping customers understand the benefits at a glance without reading long descriptions. From a business perspective, product templates help accelerate campaigns, ensure brand consistency across international markets, with easy language and cultural tweaks, and improve shelf presence online and offline. They also enable A/B testing by making it simple to adjust one element, say, the call to action color or tagline placement, to see what resonates best with audiences. A well-designed template also improves consumer trust. Consistent visuals suggest reliability and professionalism, making the product feel premium and credible. Furthermore, templates provide scalability. New products or promotions can be added into the same layout quickly, allowing brands to stay agile and competitive. In sum, this image not only presents Revel's anti-hair fall shampoo in an appealing, ingredient-focused manner but also demonstrates the power of an effective product template, a versatile, time-saving, brand-building tool that communicates benefits visually, maintains design harmony across channels, and drives faster, stronger engagement with customers while giving business